In this video, we are going to learn the modal auxiliary verb can. So these are some example you can see where we can use can. So the first example, I can swim very fast. The first example expresses the ability. I can swim very fast. Okay. So here you can see this is the modal auxiliary verb. Can is modal auxiliary verb, and swim is the first form of verb. Okay. So whenever you are expressing presentability with can, after that we are supposed to use first form of verb. Okay. The second thing, that is second sentence, she can speak 3 languages. So here also you can see can is used here and speak is again first form of verb. Okay. So she can speak 3 languages is also ability. The third one is they can come to party. So here they can come. Come is also here. Come is first form of verb. They can come to the party is the possibility. Okay. The fourth sentence, we can see the mountains from here. It is can. See is first form of verb again. And the mountain from here is the possibility. Then fifth sentence, you can see here, you can leave early if you wish, if you finish your work. So here it is, this can is used for expressing permission. Okay. So can be used for expressing ability. It also can be used to express the possibility and permission. Okay. This ability is present ability. So whenever you are using can, and the can is nothing but present ability. Okay. It is about present. It is about now. Okay. Here you can see I can swim very fast. So it is, you are talking about present ability. So that is how we have learned how to use can. We always use first form of verb with can. Okay. With only can, we use first form of verb. The second thing is that when do we use can? We use can to express presentability, possibility and permission. Okay. For granting permission. Then finally, in Marathi, we can say that here you can see the first sentence, I can swim very fast. मी खूप जोरात धावू शकतो. Second sentence, she can speak 3 languages. ती 3 भाषा बोलू शकते. Okay. So in Marathi we can say that if sentence end with शकतो or शकते, so that is indirectly you are using presentability. Okay. Third one also you can see that they can come to the party. ते पार्टीला येऊ शकतात. So शकतो, शकते, शकतात. That is how it ends with Marathi. Okay. That's how we have learned this tense. Thank you.